Today I'm making a Chipotle shaved beef quesadilla. It comes together quickly, it's packed with flavor. You've got shaved beef, peppers, onions, mushrooms, and a variety of cheeses. And the best part is you can play with the ingredients and make it your way. We're also making a Chipotle mayo that is chef's kiss. Now, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's get to it. I'm starting off by making my Chipotle sauce, and I freeze my leftover Chipotle peppers in sauce in trays for times like this. And I'm adding in 1 pepper and sauce. I'm using QP mayo, sour cream, mustard, lime juice, the W sauce, paprika, Chipotle powder, garlic powder, onion powder, and combining. And then you'll just adjust as needed. Just taste for if you need a little more salt or you want more spice. I'm using half of a white onion and dicing it up. You can also use yellow onion if that's what you have on hand. Just finely dice it. Also dicing up some red and green peppers, but you can use whatever medley of peppers you want or that you have on hand. I like the combination of red and green peppers just because the red peppers are slightly sweeter and it complements and balances the spiciness of the dish. I personally wouldn't add in any spicy peppers because this dish has enough spice, but totally optional. I'm using cremini mushrooms and slicing them about 1/4 inch thick. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add in a little olive oil. Once that's heated, add in your shaved beef and make sure to spread it out evenly. They tend to clump and stick together. I just pull them apart using my fingers. Let the beef simmer untouched for a few minutes just to allow some color to develop. You'll then add in a little salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and chipotle powder. You'll turn the heat to medium and add in 2 grated garlic cloves. And you'll saute for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the shredded beef is fully cooked, meaning there is no more pink showing. Once the shredded beef is fully cooked, you'll remove it from the pan and set it aside. To the same pan, add in your sliced mushrooms and a pinch of salt and saute for 3 to 4 minutes just to remove some of the liquid. Add in your diced onions and peppers and some garlic powder. Continue sauteing on medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the peppers are slightly softened. Add the shredded beef in, and now let's build our quesadilla. Lay out your tortilla of choice. You can even use a low-carb tortilla, which I've done before and it was delicious. And you'll just add in your beef filling, top it with some sliced provolone cheese, and I like to top mine with some shredded mozzarella, but you can play around with the cheeses like Jack cheddar. So many cheeses would work well with this. Heat your pan on medium heat and add in your tortilla, and you'll cook for a few minutes and flip once it's golden and repeat on the other side. And it's done. And look at the cheesiness inside of this bad boy. Delicious. You can slice it in 2s or even 4s. I find slicing it into 4s helps me eat less because I could literally eat like 8 of these. I can't wait to dig into this. Jeez. This one. Dip it in the sauce. Yes. That's ridiculous. I mean, can't complain about a cheese pull. That really is ridiculously good. That Chipotle sauce, chef's kiss. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know in the comments.